All right, so I got these tie downs the other day, and I just want to go over the specs of them because these are by far the best tie downs that I have seen for GM trucks. They're rated at 250 pounds. These are the factory GM tie downs that you would get if you ordered these straight from General Motors. That's the part number right there. They're made to go into those little receptacles on GM trucks. I'm not sure the year range. This is a 2016 GM truck. I don't know how many years they've used this same, the same receptacle, the same size hole. We're going to pop this grommet out of here and we're going to put one of these in. So if you've got a hole like that in your GM, then these little puppies right here are made for it. And like I say, they're rated for 250 pounds each. Highest rated out of any of them that I've seen. And basically, you're just going to stick them in, okay, just like that. Then you're going to turn it until it tightens up. And you can turn these to where they're horizontal, or you can go ahead and snug them up so they're vertical. I generally keep mine vertical. If I need to go horizontal, then I go horizontal. But by far the strongest and most heavy-duty tie downs for a GM truck that I've seen. And I mean, just to look at how beefy these things are. Look how heavy duty that latch is. When you look at others, this latch right here, this spring-loaded, I guess I don't know if you'd call that a latch or what, but keeper, whatever you want to call it, they're not near as strong as that. So if you want the strongest, best designed tie down for GM truck, I've looked at them all. These are by far the best. Now, generally, these are pretty expensive compared to some of the others. But I'll put a link to where I bought these, and I got 4 of these. I think it was about $45, $39, or maybe $49. I can't remember. But I'll put a link to where you get a set of 4 of them, or a set of 2. You can buy them in a 2 set, a 4 set, and I think even a 6 set. There's 9 of these spots on a GM truck. Now, I've got a tonneau cover, one of the roll-up tonneau covers on my truck. So the other, let's see, 5, I think there's 3 on the bed side, on the front of the bed, and then there's 2 more in the corners. But my tonneau cover housing here covers the others up. So I've only got 4 that I can use. But yeah, if you want the best, I honestly think these are probably going to be it. Again, there's the number right there. Hopefully that's coming through. There's the instructions. But I just kind of wanted to go over how these install and what makes these better than the others. And again, it's just how heavy this spring-loaded latch is. Anyway, that's about all I got. You guys take care.